back with another video. This time we are playing Disney Dreamlight Valley. I've kind of already started, and we're actually in the house because I wanted to get some stuff done quickly before we get started with the new update, which I've already kind of started. I've just because for Olaf there was a cutscene with a blizzard going in Frosted Heights, so it's very cold there. So we're gonna get changed in a minute. And I also found this, which I'm guessing is to do with Mirabelle. So yeah, I've kind of already started. Also, Mickey's here. I needed him for something, so he's just hanging out until I no longer need him anymore. We might also do some other quests because I haven't done all of them. I've managed hanging out with Mickey. I've unlocked these level 10 quests, and I think Minnie also has a quest for us too, I think. But first, let's get changed into something a little warmer if we're going to Frosted Heights, because there is, it is cold. I have been there. Let me just take some stuff off.
1 hour later.
We're all ready to go. Okay, Mickey, you ready to go? Yep. Okay, let's go. Also, that was the front of the house, by the way. And here's my garden. And how long left do I have with you? Let me quickly check that. Okay, just a few more minutes, and we say bye to Mickey. Okay, let's start with picking this up. Where's Merlin? Merlin, last time I saw him, he's in there. So let's just fast travel. Because I've unlocked everything. The only thing I haven't unlocked before the update is Prince Eric. I haven't got him yet. Oh, yeah. Hi, Merlin. Well, hopefully we're going to talk about Olaf.
Oh, hello.
I read that the well is a source of great power. I use the magic. Oh, wait. Let's do the Great Blizzard. Hi, but precisely who I was hoping to see.
Bah!
I'm certain you've noticed that rather snowy problem that we have on our hands.
What a magical mess.
There's a blizzard at the Frosted Heights, but it isn't a mere meteorological happenstance. There's dark magic afoot. What's the voice? Hold on. Magical blizzard? Sounds like a job for Elsa. Well, alright, I'd say yes. I do need to consult her. But there's something quite natural about this story. I fear even Elsa's magic would be able to quell it. Her magical mess, what should we do? To set this right, we'll need to restore the pillar at the Frosted Heights. That should keep all of X's dark magic at bay. Oh, is this how we unlock that? Huh. Okay. How do I restore the pillar? I suppose I'll need to find the orb, like with the others?
Well,
precisely. But I'm afraid it's easier said than done. The orb has been missing from the Frosted Heights since shortly after the spaghetti began. And oh dear, it's been missing so long that I can't remember what virtue powered its magic. What could it have been? Let's go punctuality, I guess. Arriving precisely when is needed. Earlier is a virtue indeed.
Oh.
But whatever powered this pillar was something more elemental. Whatever it was, I'm afraid you'll have trouble finding the orb. That blizzard means you won't be able to see an inch beyond your nose. Lost the voice. Hold on, I'll get it back in a second. I suggest you start by investigating the center of mystical activity. You must search the blizzard for the force of the disturbance. Well, I did find footprints earlier when I was there. So maybe? Act quickly. The storm is growing larger. If we don't stop it soon, I fear it will swallow up the entire valley. Well, it kind of sort of affected the valley. Like, it's a little misty now, and it's a little blursh. There's a bit of a fog, basically, is what I'm trying to say.
Yes, indeed.
I suggest you dress for it. It's going to be downright frigid. I'm one step ahead of you, old man. Oh, yeah.
Thank you. You're very kind.
Before I forget, I forgot a slight warning. Before we say goodbye to Mickey, slight warning, there may be swearing. Just because this is Disney, I might start, doesn't mean there's not swearing. Not because of the characters, well, mainly because of the characters, but it's gonna be me swearing because I'll see Gothel or something. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. But yes, if I see Gothel, I might start cursing at her because I do not like her. Because Rapunzel was my favorite Disney princess, and she hurt my girl, and I don't want anything to do with her. So, unfortunately, that can't happen. So I have to get through it by cussing her out behind her back, and maybe to her face. Anyway, hi, buddy. Are you still gonna follow me? Yeah. Okay. There's no way for him to stop for me, so we're gonna have to do something else.
Hey there.
Okay. Here we go. I have found. Oh, hang out. There we go. That will stop him following me. Yep. And then we say goodbye. Let's go. Okay.
Works for me.
Wait, I can teleport. I can teleport. Let me also get this as well. Where? There we go. Got that. Let's go teleporting. Where are we going? Oh yeah, let me introduce you to my little guy. Because I got, I think it was the blocks or something. But this is Otto. You came with it. I also have an Arctic fox. But I don't pick him out. Because it's just too confusing to remember names. So yeah. This is Otto, and he's here to stay forever and ever and ever. Anyway, let me show you what I found earlier. I found footprints and a door I don't think I've seen before. Well, like, I think this is new, but I could be completely wrong. This could have been before the update, but this looks new to me, basically. Anyway, let's open this up. Let's go find Olaf. Oh, is this something to do with, Atlantis as well? Because there's a thing down by the beach. I wonder if this is... He said elemental, maybe Olaf has it. Oh my god, he's hanging out with squirrels. Oh, the squirrel took his nose. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi! Oh my god. Oh, you found me! Oh god, I've got to do Olaf. I don't think I could do him. Hooray! That means I'm it. Oh, no.
Yay!
Now it's your turn to hide. My advice, choose a good spot. Anna says my finding abilities are epic. What are you doing here? I'm hiding from you, Typo. And you are... Come on, you know it. Okay, I'll help you out. You're a sinking bee. Do you need to explain the rules again? No, I know how to play hide and seek. Wait, you look taller than I remember. Yeah, it's been a few years, buddy. I suppose the last time we saw each other was a long time ago. Way back before the beginning.
Huh?
Does that mean you're all grown up now? Yep. That's right, I'm not gonna say that. That's not me, sorry. That's right. Well, I hope you're not too grown up to finish playing our game. Fine. But that's what it takes for you to come with me. Now it's your turn to hide and my turn to seek. Ready? Let's hide and seek later. First, what is this place?
Huh?
You know, I'm not exactly sure. I think maybe it used to be your special room. God, it looks like hell. It's awful. My special room? What do you mean? There's something there I want to cram so badly. Well, you came here when you wanted to be alone. Get away from all the complexities of life and ponder the beauty of the universe. I forgot Olaf is like this. Like, he breaks reality sort of thing. He's a little dark for a Disney character, I'm pretty sure. So yeah. Wait, can I be alone in my house or something? I mean, I'm not completely alone. You're here. That makes sense. We all need time to be alone. That is so true. There's so much strange magic in here. I wonder where it all comes from. As do I. This truly is a chamber filled with mysteries. What happened to you? Well, I followed you in here one day. There was a bright flash of light. And then you were gone. And I've been here ever since. Mainly because I couldn't get out. Oh dear, hold on.
Huh?
Oops. I did not realize what I clicked because it was an accident. I was just sorting out a charger. I was just putting the charger back in. Anyway, well, I did get lonely, and I miss you and all of my friends. But I couldn't house 12 epic novels in my head while I've been here. It's a series. I'll recite them to you later. Okay. Bedtime Stories by Olaf. I need your help fixing a magical mess. There's a magical blizzard that's threatening the whole village. If we're going to stop it, we need to find the orb and restore the pillar.
Oh.
Ooh, I very much want to help. First, I'm going to need some assistance myself. Let me guess, you want the nose back. You probably noticed that I'm missing my nose, my buttons, and my arms. Oh, I did not notice. I noticed the nose, but I didn't notice the arms and the buttons. Oopsies. I didn't want to make a peep. I thought you looked a little different. Yeah. Some might even like them in those looks, but I'm much more fond of my full Olafness. I'll help you get all your parts back. I think when I came in, I saw some squirrels carrying them off. I saw them carry the nose off. I didn't see them do the rest of it. Oh, right. Silly me. Those girls are my friends. They didn't like your friends. Did you know that there are over 200 species of squirrels? Olaf, you're going to make me cuss. Which I've specifically saved for Mother Gothel. But if you keep this up, I am going to cuss. Because Jesus. Anyway. But the ones here don't look like the squirrels I've seen before. They're all mysterious and glowy. Yeah, they look like a shadow void thing, squirrels or something. Still, they like to play away from me, which is nice. It helps to pass the time. They take my buttons and my nose, and I chase them around to get them back. Did they also pick your arms? Are you sure this was just a game? Yeah. Well, I thought so. But as for the squirrels, well, they can really comprehend the mind of a squirrel. This time, when you came in, the squirrels ran out right past you with my nose and buttons. I've only ever chased them around here before. Okay, I'll help you get them back. Great! Let's chase down some squirrels.
Goodbye.
But first, I want to explore this place. What's more notes? Scary squirrels in here. I left something in here. Something I need. I know it's here somewhere. I need it to tear down the wall. Interesting. What else? We've got this place. Okay. It's not working. Nothing is working. It must be the pillow's magic stopping me. Oh, why do I have a bad feeling now? Because these are my notes, so I must have been responsible for taking the pillar or the orb from the pillar. Oh dear, that's not good. Okay, it looks like we have to get some things maybe. It's only when the lights are on that I realize my life is dark. And here, I'm safe. You know, I don't know whether to feel like this is depressing or not, because it sounds kind of depressing to me. We're finding that painting thing. The spell, it went wrong. Need to find somewhere else, somewhere quieter. Might need to about all the orbs to do this. Excuse me? That doesn't sound good. Oh my god. Did I do something or was it my other self? Because I felt like some of these notes might be from the other one. Spoiler alert, if you're not been playing the game, or haven't watched anyone play a game, there's basically those are myself running around the place. Anyway, let's get right on back to this, I guess. Oh, there's more. Okay, I can't get rid of that. I have to tear out the orb to cast my spell. There's no other choice. Oh dear. What did I do? There's more over here. Here we go. I'm guessing I must have done something as a child, maybe? And it created the thorns. So now I've got to fix my mess. Damn. I tried to make friends with the villagers, but it's like there's a wall between us. Like something is broken inside of me. Oh wait, is this not me? Maybe this is a shadowing. The shadow me. Let's go this way. Search the village for excuse me. Okay, guys, where are you? Where you at? Chase down sparrow squirrels, get on fire, and come here. Gotcha. Got one button. I see one over here. Gotcha. There's one at the box. Oh, I see one over there. Come here. Down here. Gotcha. Okay, last one. Hey, Buzz. Picking stuff up. Okay, I don't see anything here. Oh, here we go. There we go. Got it. Got his stuff. Let's go back. Okay. Here you go, Olaf. Got your stuff back. Yep.
Oh, so glad you made
I got
it.
my nose and buttons back. Thank you. I feel much more like myself now. Hey, you know that girls use their tails to help them balance in high places? Part of me did not want to finish that sentence just to cuss you out. Oh, stop it, Olaf. That doesn't seem relevant, really relevant right now. Oh, but it's always a good time to learn. Yeah, but I'm not Ravenclaw, buddy. I'm a Slytherin. I don't care unless it benefits me. People like girls have just fingernails. Are you ready, little nose? Let's put you back where you belong. Okay. Okay, now he looks more normal. The arms, though. Oh, this is so much better.
Huh?
I'd give you a warm hug to say thank you, but I'm still missing my arms. So that would be difficult. Yeah, where are your arms? Where could they be? Those be. Oh, I just remembered. It's not only my arms are missing, they were holding something when I lost them. Sorry, I'm just quiet because I realized what he might have been holding. Olaf had the orb, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Yeah, I think I said that earlier. He has the orb. God damn it, Olaf. Did you say you were looking for some kind of orb? You have the orb, don't you? Or your arms do? Well, I was holding one when I got locked in here. Don't you just love coincidences? Olaf, I swear to God, I'm so close to kicking your head off. If it was possible, I'd do it. Great, so just tell me where to find your arms. Let me think. Nope. Nope, you don't want to, or nope, you don't remember. I have no idea what happened to my arms. Okay, it was this letter. Oh no. Seriously? As I said before, all I remember is that I walked in here and there was a flash of light. Next thing I knew, my arms were gone, and so was the orb, and I was locked inside. If only there was some way to tell exactly what happened in here. It was so long ago. Well, if you don't remember, and I don't remember, maybe the water remembers. Oh yeah, Frozen 2. The water remembers? What do you mean?
Huh?
Oh, water has memory. It's disputed by many, but it's true. We'll just need to find a way to get it to share the memories with us. Say, would Elsa know something about this? Elsa! That's it! She's very good at helping water show us what it remembers, so I have to go get Elsa then. Alright, I'll go talk to Elsa. She went here. She went there. Elsa, come back here. He's got look at all these steps. I hate this so much. Elsa. Elsa, hi.
Hello, my friend.
Hi, Bo. Thank goodness you're here. I've been doing everything I can to try to stop a blizzard in Frosted Heights. Nothing I do seems to work. There's some sort of dark Dreamlight magic feeding it. I think I might have found the key to fixing it, but I do need your help. Oh, anything. Just tell me what I should do. I went to the center of the blizzard and found a chamber full of strange magical experiments. And that's not all. I found Olaf inside. Olaf!
Yes!
Oh, what a relief. I know, I've been so worried about him. Did he know anything about the blizzard? No. Not really. He got me chasing some squirrels around. That does sound like Olaf. What did he tell you? Olaf's arms are missing. He says the last thing he remembers is that they were holding on to the orb. We need that to restore the pillar. But he doesn't know where to find them. He said something about water having memory. That's it. Olaf can be a bit of a genius. I'm not sure my pals will help. Whatever happened may not be tied closely enough to me. You might be able to do it. In the past, your own watering can could draw out the memories held by water. Really? Okay. I guess it kind of makes sense. But maybe we could find out exactly what happened to the orb. Do you think my grandparents still has that power? I wouldn't know where to start. My grandpappy would say, start where things began, and that would be the pillar of Frosted Heights. I'll keep trying to fend off this blizzard while you investigate.
Yes.
Is all that your watering can? Focus your magic near the pillar.
Why, thank you.
Okay, thanks Elsa. Okay, let's go. Got my watering can. I'm sorry, I can't ignore it. Was it gonna bug me? Okay, let's go. Before I get distracted again. Pillar is in this way somewhere. It's the other V. It took the orb. Okay, that makes sense then. Okay, the message makes sense. Elsa, we got a problem. Give me a second. So, my evil self might have taken them.
Hello. Could you possibly lend me a hand?
Hello, Tygo. Did you want anything to uncover anything? I saw the forget you have gotten taking the orb from the pillar.
Ah.
Oh, well, I spent a lot of time talking to Merlin about the magic of this village. He told me that the pillars have protective charms in them to keep dark magic at bay. Maybe the Forgotten wanted to try using more dangerous kinds of magic, and the pillar's protective aura was stopping that. Yep. Also, there's something I need to tell you. Forgotten. They're a part of me. Some kind of splinter of myself that I left behind.
Huh.
I see. Well, I know that magic can do things like that. Olaf is a part of me. It's sweet and kind, and so is Marshmallow. Oh, much larger snowman, I said. Let's just say he's very protective. So I've forgotten one to mess with dark magic. Does that mean I get too? It's the only thing that makes sense. Just because you want to do something doesn't mean that you would ever do it. But this would mean that we do it at the beginning. For all this to be my fault?
Huh.
What? No, Tybo. This isn't your fault. Trust me. When it comes to starting magical blizzards that threaten to pull up everything and everyone I love, that was very specific.
Oh.
I've had a little experience. Magic and emotions can make unintended things happen. The more you know about your magic, the more you'll be able to control it. I heard rumors that you're here trying to fix this. I guess now we're one step closer to doing that. In the memory, it looked like Olaf saw the Forgotten running off with the orb, and he followed them to the secret chamber.
Uh-huh.
And I think you'll find the rest of your answers inside. Yeah, there was stuff inside. I'll go see if there's any more memories inside the secret chamber.
Goodbye.
Thank you for your help, Elsa. You're the best. Look, I've got to find some princess to be nice to, since Rapunzel isn't here yet. I hope she comes soon. Although, according to the Disney thing, it doesn't seem she's going to come soon. Next up is the Lion King, I believe. Anyway, hi Olaf.
Oh, hi!
Hi Bo! I have to know, are we any closer to solving the mystery of my missing arms? Yes. I think so. Also help me use my watering can to bring out a memory near the pillar in the Frosted Heights. I saw the Forgotten pulling the orb out the pillar. The Forgotten? They look just like you. Yeah, the Forgotten has my face. There's some sort of magical splinter of me.
Huh?
Oh, like I'm a part of Elsa. How fascinating. I guess it's sort of like that. Well, I certainly thought the Forgotten was you when we were playing hide and seek. Oh, that's why. Okay. You've been missing for a long time, but we're still in the middle of a game. So I followed you, the Forgotten, so I could tag you, and you would finally come back to the village. And I saw the Forgotten had dropped that shiny orb, so I picked it up and came in here to give it back. But then what happened? I don't remember, but you used your watering can around here to find out.
Well, I guess that's it. Bye!
Okay, let's do this then. Okay. I have herself coming back. Okay. And she's doing it in the portal. We found them just wearing arms with the orb. Hi. Sorry for you. Hold on.
Hello!
Wow, did you see that? I must have forgotten while they were casting some sort of magical enchantment. And the orb made magic go wild in here. That must have been the flash I saw. So this chamber, it must be the Forgotten's. It was the Forgotten who locked you inside here. I'm so sorry that happened, Olaf. That's okay. I know you wouldn't have wanted it to happen. After that, the Forgotten grabbed the orb off the floor and threw it into that portal there. But my arm's still attached.
Oh,
Oh, the bright side. Now we know what the wolf is. Someone with arms just reach inside the portal and grab it. That part does not look safe, Olaf. I volunteered to do it myself, but no arms. That portal keeps flickering. Something's wrong with it. I don't think it's safe to reach inside. Oh, maybe there's a way to fix it in one of these books. Since my arms are missing, I can turn the pages to read them. The titles are very interesting. They're all about magic, casting spells, making things float, how to open portals. Which one is that? Did you just say how to open portals? How to open portals? Yes! Now we need to open a portal. I guess I'll need to find that book. Okay.
Oh, thanks.
What is this?
This makes me so happy.
Crystals detected. Ooh, I can sell this stuff. Afterwards, though. What's this? What's this one? Beginner's Guide to Transformation. Helpful. Ooh. I'm keeping that. Ooh, perfect. So you want to open them? Oh, I probably should give these back to Olaf. Be careful not to rip them up. I'll just grab these books too. Other carries away. Okay, I think we got all of it. Okay, let's get this.
Oh, good, you're here.
You found a book? Is it the one we need? You have to read it to me since I can't turn the pages. Okay, so you want to open a dark portal. Okay, really specific. It sounds like it's exactly what we're looking for, Tybo. Hope so. I can't wait to hear what it says. This book. This must be how the Forgotten learned to open all those portals in the first place. I wonder they've been popping up everywhere. Are you going to read? According to this, we need something called a Dreamlight prison to fix the portal. There's a bunch of broken glass on the floor over there. I'll bet the Forgotten tried this too. Maybe if we gather it up and replace the broken parts, we can get my arm back. Oh, and the orb. Can't forget about that. Yes. But your priorities are completely correct. Your arms and then the orb. It says we'll need some glass and some purified night shards. Okay, we can get that. Once I fix it, I need to find some way to channel all the colors of the rainbow through the prism. Oh, so we need green, pink, purple. I've got that. How do I do that? Well, there are some gems over there near the portal, but not all the colors. Some must be missing. Don't worry, Tybo. I'm sure you can figure out what to do. Finally, it says I need to whisper one of my darkest fears to the portal to seal the spell. I guess I should start thinking about what I'm afraid of. For now, I'll start by making the Dreamlight prison.
Goodbye.
Oh, okay, so I'm just grabbing this. Grab this. Grab this. So we gotta be quick because I'm limited on time right now. So let's go quickly get this. Okay, let me head to my place and get the night shards. Like, see, it's like foggy, which it shouldn't be. I need to get that later. Use glass. We got. Ooh, forage for me. Ooh. Okay, we need this. How many did we need? Because 5, I think. Okay. Oops, no, wait, here we go. Dreamlight prison come here. Got that. Do we have the gems? Please. Okay, fine. Okay, we can come back and get the gems because I do have the gems. I've been hoarding them. As long as it's like the normal gems. If it's like the special gems, then we're in trouble because I've been selling those. Because they like have a lot more. Where am I going? This way. This way. Maybe this has been here and I've just like, because of the footprints, I've just noticed it. Okay, hi Olaf, place it in, okay, place it here, I think. Transfer. Figure out which gems are missing in the secret chamber and replace them. Promise puzzle is a single pawn red gem. Garnet, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna get some gems. I'm gonna get a few of them just in case. I'm guessing we're in green, pink, and purple. That would make sense. Or orange. Because it says rainbow. Yeah, we need the purple one. I don't think we need the pink one, but I'll bring it just in case. But I think it had the yellow one. We got red, blue, and yellow. Here's my key. This one. So let's grab split. Grab one of these. We need purple. Split. And then we'd even need a peridot or an emerald. So let me just grab this. It might not be that, but just in case it is. And I'll grab the pink just to be safe. I don't think we'll need the blue. We'll need these. Don't need that. We don't need that. Okay, yeah, I think we're good. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, I did have the yellow, so. What are the colors? I'm confusing. Orange would go here, I think. Okay, yeah, that works. And then, now the question is, does it go from down here, or does it go like around? So like, let's put. Okay, let's put the purple here. Because I think the purple will go here, right? Okay, now I'll put the green. Perfect. Okay. So glad I got more than one. Okay, so that means purple will go here. Nice. Okay, we've done it. Let me just sort out my inventory. So we'll sell those. Okay, use a spear. What else we got? To get this punk stable, I need to tell it one by the spears. Honestly, I'm okay with clowns. Being alone, honestly, I'm okay with spiders are probably the biggest fear. Definitely spiders. With all the legs and eyes, they're so creepy, crawly, and hey, something's happening to the portal. I think the magic is starting to work. We got it! Now we got our right arm. Because my priorities are straight. Anyway, there we go. Come here. Almost all set. In an orb? Put the question mark at the end and perfect.
Oh, good, you're here.
You found them. You found my arms. Come here, little arms. Let me put you on. How? See. Oh, that's much better. I feel so sticky. Get it? Because my arms are stick. Yep. Give me your back. Yes, you should arm yourself with some better jokes. You're probably right. I haven't had anyone practice my jokes on since I stuck in here. Really? Okay. Hey, wait, arm. Myself? Brilliant! I will definitely have to use that. Well, I didn't just find your arms. I also found the orb. There's only one problem. It seems to be broken. Oh, goddamn, I gotta fix it. No! What's wrong with it? The light inside has gone out. The magic is just gone. I don't think this light is going to be enough to fix the pillar and stop the blizzard. Oh. I'm sorry, Tybo. I wish I knew how to fix it. There must be a way. I just have to figure out the mystery. Maybe there's a book in Merlin's library? Or another memory somewhere. Or... I may not know how to fix the orb, but I do know one thing that can make everything better. Let me guess, a hug? A warm hug. Okay, I guess bring it in. And now that I have my arms again, I can give you one. Yeah! Oh, that is cute. Despite you making me want to hug. Oh, love! Olaf, the magic was inside you all along. Thanks, Olaf. I feel a lot better now. Yep, warm hugs are the best. Wait a second. The orb started to glow when you hugged me. Merlin said he didn't know what virtue powered the pillar of the frosted heights. Now I know. It must be warm hugs. Nope. Love. Close. Not exactly. It's love, Olaf. A simple act of love fixed the orb. Oh, and I guess I did know how to fix the orb after all. Did this mean you saved the day? Yep. Almost, but not quite. I still need to put this orb back in the pillar. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Thank you. Oh, it's pink. That's cool. Okay, let's put this bad boy back in. Is Olaf out the thing though? No, he's not. Okay. Let's put this back. Maybe if we put it back, he'll get out. He'll be able to get out. Yay! Everything's clear now. Oh my god, this is so much better. This is great. Okay. Okay. Hi, Olaf.
Hi, it's me, Olaf.
Well, Tybo, you found me with some mutants and stopped the blizzard. You're very talented. There are still a lot of questions left, though. Like, what was the deal with that secret chamber? What was the Forgotten doing here? Don't worry, Tybo. I know you'll figure it out. You're practically the official village figure-outer. And I'll be here if you need any more hugs or words of sage wisdom from a snowman wise beyond his years. Anyway, but for now I'm going to go see what changed in the village while I was winning at hide and seek. Okay. I think you're gonna love it, Olaf. There's a lot of these villages for friends. Really? Well, I can't wait to meet them all. Thank you for finding me, Tybo. You're the best seeker a hider could have. Oh, and one more thing. Tag, you're it. Okay. Hello. Let's go. Let's go. Maybe I want some. Let's go. Foraging, I guess. Great blizzard. Okay, yeah, no more quests. I have limited time. So that's it. I'm gonna end this video here. It's been too long. I'm limited on time, so we're gonna end this here. If you like this video, leave a like. If you want to see more of this, I might do Mirabelle's, more of Olaf stuff, as well as maybe some other quests I haven't finished. Yeah, let me know if you want to see more of that. I will probably try to do Mirabelle's quest as well, to bring her to the village. But yeah, let me know if you want to see more of this. Leave a like as well, comment down below if you want to see more, I guess. And be sure to subscribe for more videos, because I upload every Friday. and I will see you guys next Friday with a new video.